In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a modern inventory audit tracker in Excel. Now, this one has no VBA, so you could actually put it on your phone or on a small tablet. This beats carrying around a clipboard that's messy with pencil and pens all over it. And so basically what you could do is go around your warehouse or your store and check what your inventory levels are. So here we have either the barcode or the product number on it, and we have a description. And this is what your system says the stock should be. You're going around and you're counting these things individually or whatever. And if it's not 4, and you, let's say you put 3, and then you put verify that you have counted it, it automatically turns red, and it shows you have your discrepancy coming up here, and it tells you how far you are in your inventory tracker. Now, basically what this is just a table, and the verified is the checkbox, which is very easy because it's on your phone. You could use your finger to check it. And what the variance is just it's just this system stock minus the quantity counted, and the verified is where that you actually have counted it. So if you put in, for example, 3 here and you don't press the checkbox, it's not going to turn red. It's that you've actually verified that there's only 3 there, and so then you're going to check the checkbox, and then it's going to close. So how I have this progress, which is basically just counting how many that we have verified in our whole list, and because it's a table at the bottom, I have on the bottom row here, I have subtotal, and so we're counting the number of barcodes we have on this sheet. Now, the discrepancy is basically you're counting if I have count ifs, an inventory table, and I say how that are verified, and verified equals true, an inventory table that variance is greater than 0, does not equal 0, then it's going to turn red. And so then the conditional formatting that I have put on here is, let's go to the Home tab, and let's go to conditional formatting, and then we're going to go to manage rules. And so what the conditional formatting is, it's saying that if this is true, so if your number is verified and C does not equal D, then it turns red. I will have a link in the description of my video, so you can download this and you can play with it to get working for you. This is how you create a modern inventory tracker in Excel. Please subscribe.